Equidistance. Equidistance is what we are going to learn. We are trying to understand the word equidistance and one more word, midpoint. See, there are two friends. So who want to meet up? So one person is like, we'll meet up. The other person is like, okay, let's do that. So, but his condition is that both have to walk the same distance. If not, he is not going to meet, or she is not going to meet. So the other person agrees, and one of the possibilities is if I draw a straight line, the midpoint, that is the middle of the this path, exactly the middle, right, is an equidistant point. So what is equidistant? Equal distance. So if I write AO, AO will be equal to BO. And this point, which is the midpoint of the straight line, is a midpoint. But what if there is a lake? What if there is a farming land? What if there is a something else in a shop, a house? We can't just go through the shop, right? So we can also meet here. They can also meet here, and you can come here. You can clearly see if I call this as O1, AO1 and BO1 will be equal, right? Say there's something else over there. You can meet somewhere else, something like this. That's also equidistant. Say there's something else over there. In between, you can meet. There's something else there also. You can meet even further, so on and so forth. So if I keep looking at the possible distance wherein these two people can meet and the distance happen to be equal, I'll get infinite number of points. And that point will look like a straight line. So whenever you come across a question which is talking about equidistant, please understand this, that these two people have to meet at a certain point, which is equal distance, doesn't matter what direction or structure it forms. It need not be a straight line. Straight line isn't one of the answers, but there are infinite number of possibilities, right? You need to know that. And midpoint is just one of it. So generally, you'll end up with an answer ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which represents a straight line. Okay, remember this represents a straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now, coming back to equidistance and midpoint. Midpoint is one of the unimaginable or uncountable equidistance point. It's just one of it. Okay, remember this. Right? So you need to know what is the midpoint and what is equidistant. The difference has to be known before you start off the numericals.